Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status in the Southwest Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the flight button. And then click on the flight status button. So in order to check the flight status, you have to set the airport where you're traveling from, and then the destination airport as well. And then you can set the flight number, but that's optional. And then you have to set the date, and then just click on the search button and you will be able to see the flight status. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.